Saute half a large chopped onion in 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir over low heat until the butter and olive oil foam and the onion is very translucent. Now, add half a kilo of chopped meat, turn the heat up to high, and stir until the meat starts to release a lot of liquid. But here that's good since it helps form the sauce. Add a teaspoon of salt and black pepper to taste. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of ketchup, half a can or 2 peeled, seeded and chopped tomatoes. Add half a cup of chopped mushrooms and a can of cream without the whey. Mix well. Then you can taste it and adjust the salt to your liking. If you like it darker, you can add more mustard and ketchup.